Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone features in a fun and straightforward way. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to view your favorite contacts on your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're a busy professional juggling calls or just someone who wants quick access to your closest contacts, this tip will save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. It's all about those smooth updates for the best experience. To get started, unlock your iPhone and locate the phone app. It's that green icon with a classic phone receiver. You can't miss it. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Once you're in the phone app, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a few tabs: Favorites, Recents, Contacts, and Keypad. Tap on the Favorites tab. That's the one we're focusing on today. Boom! You'll see a list of your favorite contacts right there. These are the people you've marked as VIPs, making it easier to call them with just a tap. If your favorites list is empty or not showing up, don't panic. Head over to your Contacts app, select a contact, and tap Add to Favorites. It's that simple. In 2025, Apple has made this even more intuitive with smarter suggestions based on your calling history. Pro tip: you can rearrange your favorites by tapping and holding on a contact, then dragging it to your preferred spot. This way, your most important people are always at the top. One more thing: if you're using iOS features like Siri, you can even ask her to show your favorites hands-free. Just say, "Hey Siri, show my favorite contacts," and watch the magic happen. It's all about efficiency in our fast-paced world. There you have it, folks. Viewing your favorite contacts on your iPhone is quick, easy, and a game-changer for your daily routine. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.